Is your brake pedal suddenly feeling much heavier than usual, or is that red brake warning light flashing at you every time you slow down? You might be dealing with a diagnostic trouble code P0556, which points directly to a range or performance issue within your brake booster pressure sensor circuit. This is a generic powertrain code, meaning it can show up on almost any modern vehicle in the United States, from a Ford or Chevy to a Nissan or Subaru, as long as it uses a sensor to monitor vacuum levels. Essentially, your brake booster is the muscle that helps you stop a heavy vehicle with just a light press of your foot. It relies on vacuum pressure, and the brake booster pressure sensor tells the powertrain control module exactly how much assist is available. When that signal goes out of the expected range, the computer gets confused and triggers this code. You might notice that it takes a lot more leg strength to bring the car to a halt, or you might see the service engine soon light pop up on your dashboard. Ignoring this is not a good idea because the problem usually gets worse over time, eventually making the car much harder to stop in an emergency. The most common reasons for this failure are a defective pressure sensor itself, or perhaps some worn out and cracked vacuum lines that are leaking air. Since rubber parts can dry out and crack over thousands of miles on American roads, these leaks are very common. You should also look for corroded connectors or damaged wiring that might have been rubbed raw by engine vibrations. To fix this, you want to start with a thorough visual inspection of the engine bay. Look for any vacuum hoses that look weathered or feel brittle. If the lines are good, you will need a digital multimeter to check the voltage going to the sensor. You are looking for a steady signal that changes correctly when you pump the brakes. Most repairs involve simply replacing a faulty sensor or swapping out a few feet of bad vacuum hose. If you find that the brake pedal is consistently hard to press or the warning lights are persistent, you should definitely head to a professional mechanic immediately to ensure your power assist system is safe for the highway. It is a straightforward fix most of the time, but since it involves your stopping power, it has to be done right.